at the doorway. This is an Acholi proverb which talks about success and carrying on to the success till the last minute. Many times when you have already done it, when you have already thought you have already succeeded in life, you start becoming careless. That's what the quote talk about. You start thinking there's no more threat, there's no more problem. Oh, I've won, oh, I've succeeded. But you realize you are a failure at the end. This can best be described in football. The best example is in football. You realize, I'm sorry to say this, teams like Arsenal start the season well often, but towards the end, they fail to win the title. Even Manchester United, they end up failing to win the title. Yet they had been playing well the whole season. It is also like a student who has been performing very well from primary school, went to secondary school, but again failed at university, got multiples of retakes at university. That is what is called pot breaking at the doorway. In Acholi, it is said in the local language that Agulu ta Idogola. So breaking of the pots at the doorway is very common. Now you outside there, you should be always careful. It is always about the finishing line. To make you not be careless and break the pot at the doorway after fetching it long from the river, have this thing at the back of your mind that every finishing line will always mark the beginning of a new race. You're starting a new race after finishing something. Just like when we were at campus, guys used to dream about driving cars and so on, immediately getting job and so on. But okay, personally for me, I was exposed to the bad side of the world, so I knew most of the thing will not come so easy. And I used to keep saying I will dip my nose in the mud like the pigs. But my fellow students never used to understand. But when they came out, they understood, because there are a lot of Acholi who graduated with science and powerful classes, but they're fixing toilets in Nakawa just to earn something on the plate, which is very sad and sad beyond discussable level. So Agulu always breaks at the doorway if we are not careful. Let it be at the back of your mind that every finishing line marks the beginning of a new race. At your workplace, in your office, in the farm, running your project, just know that towards the end is when you must be very careful. Because if, just like Lucky Dube said, it can take 100 years for you to build your reputation, but it takes only one to be fooled in 1 second to ruin your entire reputation, and that fool could even be you. So we need to make sure that we carry on the pot until we reach inside the home and people use the water to drink, to bathe with it, and so on. Thank you for watching Morning Motivation on Acholi Pro Evo TV with me, Mark O'Brien. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so that you easily get the next videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.